Hi, I'm Vicky, and this is Rocked Up Frocks, where I take vintage and pre-loved clothing and give it a revamp. Today, I'm going to revamp 3 pairs of sunglasses from my own wardrobe, and I'm going to give them a makeover that's inspired by the amazing embellished sunglasses trend that's around at the minute. Dolce & Gabbana have been doing some incredible glasses. Gucci have been doing lots of sunglasses with crystals and sparkles as well. So I'm really excited to take the idea and be inspired by those high-end sunglasses. And I'm going to use the sunglasses from my wardrobe and some old and new jewellery pieces. And I'm going to combine them to create some large over-the-top embellished sunglasses of my own. This is what I'm using to make my embellished sunglasses. I've got 3 pairs of sunglasses from my stash, which are all sunglasses that I've bought over the years, and I've decided I'm adding black and gold to this pair of tortoiseshell cat's eyes. This necklace was $5 from a charity shop. The earrings I bought new from Colette and Lavisa. For the black cat's eye I want to add silver, so I've got necklaces and earrings from my stash. Some are broken. I've got these stars that have broken off a crown I made ages ago. These earrings I did buy new from Colette, and everything else is from my stash. And then for my big black glasses, I found this most incredible necklace in Lavisa yesterday, which I'm going to use to decorate those. As well as all of this, you'll need your glue. I'm using E6000, but you can also use super glue. I'm going to use some blue tack to blue tack everything on to decide how I want it to look before I actually glue it. Depending on what you're using to embellish your glasses, you may also need something to cut the rings and earring backs off. So I've got a little pair of cutters here, and I've got some little files so I can file any sharp bits off before I glue them on. I'm going to start by taking everything apart and blue tacking it on to get the design that I want. Once you're happy with your design, just try your sunglasses on and make sure they're not too heavy, because sometimes when you're using lots of bits like this, they can end up quite weighty, and you don't want the weight to make your sunglasses slide off your face. So I'm going to cut off all these little rings and file them flat, and then use my E6000 to glue everything into place. Now I've cut all the loops off, I've filed everything nice and flat, it's time to start gluing it on. So I'm going to take my E6000 and just squeeze out a little bit at a time. If you can, do this in a really well ventilated room if you're using this glue, or wear a mask. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the glue and pop it on the corner. Line my first piece up where I want it to go and hold it into place. I'm just using some blue tack to hold these pieces in place while the glue dries. I'm just going to leave them to dry with the blue tack on before I put the next pieces on. So all of my corner pieces are dry, so I'm going to take the blue tack off and then repeat this process on the next pieces along. I'm just going to keep repeating this process until everything's glued on. So I'm going to glue, blue tack, let it dry, and then do the same thing working outwards or around each pair of glasses. Once the glue is completely dry, really carefully remove your blue tack and your glasses are ready to wear.